this isn't just a car, it's a story that almost died. Rust tried to eat it alive, time tried to erase it, and hope was running out. But watch closely, because in the next few minutes, you'll see this forgotten legend fight its way back to life.
Part by part, the 2004 Porsche 911 GT3 lies in pieces on the floor. Every bolt, every panel, worn by years of neglect. This is where the fight begins. Each piece gets a second chance, scrubbed, cleaned, freed from the grip of rust. You can almost hear the car breathing again. But it's not magic, it's patience. Every nut, every screw matters, because a legend is only as strong as its smallest part. Under these lights, the old scars are healing. The steel begins to remember its former glory.
And then there's her. She's been waiting for this day, the day she can drive her dream, not just imagine it. This is just the start. The heartbeat is back, but the soul, that's still coming. Hit subscribe, stick around, and watch this 911 GT3 rise from the ashes into something unforgettable.